Good evening. Good news para sa mga fans ko at mga believers at mga supporters. Champion. Champion tayo. Ang daming runs. Ang daming runs para mag-champion kasi dinoble-doble yung entry nila. Hindi ko rin alam kasi kung alam ko, gagawin din natin yon. Pero regardless, okay lang. Basta Pinoy, lalaban. Eto, hindi to pagmamayabang. Nag-video ako ngayon para i-inspire ang mga kapwa Pilipinong builders at racers. Last year nakita nyo, napahiya ako, sumubok ako, kinapos ako, talo ako, ang daming bashers, marami doon Pinoy pa. Na down ako, pero sabi ko, pag down ka, there's no other way but up. Ngayon kita nyo, tuhog lahat. Hindi sa pagmamayabang. Never lose hope. Kung kaya ng iba, kaya ng Pinoy. Uulitin ko. Kung kaya nila, kaya ng Pinoy. Laban. Para to sa inyong lahat. Para to sa inyong lahat. Mahal ko kayo. Salamat sa suporta. Sa team ko, Team Good Boy, the whole crew, especially the ones that are there on track today in this event. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Kaya. I told you since October last year. We will come back stronger. Thank you so much. Sa mga riders ko, Kirby, Ibon, thank you. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. To all my friends, thank you so much. My supporters, thank you so much. Thank you. Thailand, thank you for helping me with my parts, my injectors, so many, my hubs from DKT, Project FI for my injectors. Thank you so much for the support, and all the others that I haven't mentioned, especially my very good friend, Rowan. We are number one. Thank you. Together, we are strong. Congratulations to everybody. Thank you.